This trailer hitch is by Tow Us or Tow US. They sent this to me. Just doing a very quick review. This is going to be perfect because you got 3 different ball sizes on here. You're going to be able to tow anything with this. So you got the 2 5/16, which is your bigger ball. That's going to handle 12,500. You got an 1 7/8 over here, which is 8,000 pounds rated. And then you got your standard 2-inch ball over here, 10,000 pounds rated. So you can go ahead and flip this any way that you want. It's powder coated black. Look, you've got this adjustability here. I think this is like 6 or roughly 6, 8 inches there. All you're gonna do is just pop the pins out like this. If we wanted to switch from the 2 5/16 and go to the 2-inch ball, and look, you can drop it all the way down. We can go all the way up. Let's say we wanted to go all the way up. Just slide the pins in. This is how easy it is to adjust. Everything goes together very nicely. There you go. And once your pins are in, all we're gonna do is just slide these little cotter clips in there. And now we are locked in and we're ready to go. This is going to be the lock that's going to actually hold the hitch to your vehicle. And I'm loving this so that nobody can steal this from you. You just put the key in, turn it, it pops out. Watch this. Look. So you're just going to slide that in and out. They do give you these little bushings here. That's just to take up any play. So you can take those out if you don't need them or slide them in. That's just going to protect you from the side-to-side movement. So you're going to turn it to the right to disengage it. It's just going to pop up. Okay. Then to lock it up, you just set that on the top there, push down and turn the key to the left, pull it out, and now we are locked. And of course, we can go ahead and switch this around. Watch this. If you want to turn it this way, we'll slide it in. We're closer to the ground. So if we were towing something that we really needed, like a low profile, you could do that. And of course, we're going to be able to raise this up in this position as well. There we go. Couldn't be easier. Now we're at more of like a level towing height. So the thing I really like about this, obviously, is the adjustability, but you've got 3 different size balls on here. So you're going to be able to tow pretty much anything. The adjustability is super simple, and you've got this lock. Great little system, high quality trailer hitch. Definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.